Good afternoon. Video message for William. William, hi. Thank you for buying. I love these saws, the 701s. Spectacular saw from Echo. Japanese professional saw. So obviously this is a project saw, and love to hear how you get on with her. I'm surprised she didn't sell earlier, in fact, because they're so hard to come by, and so I know she needs a few things doing to her, but love to hear what you end up doing with her, breaking her for parts or putting her into service. Let me show her running one last time. Always been, again, a lovely starting engine. Love the throttle lock arrangement on the 701s. Pull the little lever on the right of the rear handle up 90 degrees. Choke. Kill switch not working, as I remember. Wow, that's so impressive. Okay. Okay, I stop with the choke because the kill switch is not working. So, beautiful running engine. Hope you love the saw and love to hear what you end up doing with her. Bye for now.